Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Ganiva A. Today I'm going to be doing unboxing with you. I have some perfume here, popular perfumes here that I want to show to you guys. So this is the perfume. You can see the tracking numbers and the rest on it. It's from China. So this is how it looks like. I'll put the price on the screen so you guys know what how much it is. It's so heavy. It's so heavy. Let's open this together. I wanted to open this together with my family on YouTube. I said no, I'm keeping this so that I'll unbox these things with you guys. So let me show you this is how it looks like. This is a little girl buying something for herself. I used my own money. So this is how the perfume looks like. Very cute. It's very cute. It's very cute. This is how it's like. See that? And this is how it is. Now let's open it. Oops. So this is how it's. I saw this in people's video. I said, no, I'm going to buy this perfume. Well, that's just how it is. Hmm. It's like it has a strong scent. This one has a very strong scent. Let me use it. Ah, my goodness. I love it. I really love it. This is how it is. You can see, right? Very beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's so cute. I got this for myself. I'll put a price on it. I got it from 1688. Now let me put it here. Then I have this one as well. So this is how the packaging is. The packaging is very beautiful. Packaging is beautiful. Now this is how it is. My second perfume. So let's unbox this together. This is so beautiful. Let me put the box somewhere else. Okay. Now you open here. Beautiful. Woo! This is how it looks like. I wish I can add video to this, music to this video. No. I'll give one perfume to my mom. Now let's test this one. Oops. So this is how it looks like. Very beautiful. And this is the cap. I want to die. So this has a mouth. Let's say the scent is not that strong. I can see this one is strawberry or something like that. You see this strawberry. This is the cap. This is how it looks like. Let me use this other hand. This is like ladies perfume, like lady scent, very mild. This is very mild. This is how it is like. And let's test another one. We have another one here. I saw all of these things in a video. I said, I'm buying this thing. I'm really buying this thing. So let's see Oh, okay, here will be very good. This has very, very low scent. Very, very calm. Very, very calm. It's not that strong. Hmm. God. I love perfumes. I love perfumes. And I'm so glad that by the grace of God, I've gotten this for myself. This is how it is, right? I show you guys. And then we have the last one here. The last one. This is how it is like. You see this? This is how it is like. Very cute. Okay, so let's test this and see. Okay, let me use my other hand here. That's my hand. This is like candy, like toffee. I don't even know how to describe this. It's like candy, sweet. Yes, sweet, some sweetness. Hmm. I'll give this to my mom. You see this? Very beautiful. So I got this at the price of, this is how it looks like. I got this at this price, so you can check the price on the screen. And I also had, I got these glasses for myself as well. I'm not spending again. Let's test how I look. Hmm. Guys, how do I look? Oh, oh. Do I look good? Oh my goodness. Guys, tell me, how do I look in these glasses? Do I look great? I look great. Do I need confirmation from someone? No, I don't need confirmation. Oh, this looks very beautiful. I need to get a photo shoot. So this is how I look in this. I think I should be using these glasses in my videos. So thank you if you watched this video. These are my perfumes I got. I wish I can give you guys one, but I even feel I'm not selfish. I would have given you one to you if you like it. Thank you for watching this video. These are the perfume I got for myself, and I just want to show it to my YouTube family. So let me know what you think about the perfumes. What's your type of perfume that you like? Do you like hard perfumes, like perfume that give you that strong scent, or you like that mild perfumes? Yeah, I love all of them. I love all of them because you need to wear them at different locations. Ah, my room is good. Thank you for watching this video. This is not that friendly video, so a kind of a vlog. Okay, my hand. It's not my hand. It's my parents' hand. They always come in my videos, so I think you guys are familiar with it now. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy. Pamper yourself. I'm a very big fan of pamper yourself as you want to pamper someone. Pamper yourself as well, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Until then, hey, my glasses. Bye.